Welcome to KWFit. I'm Ken. This video is part of the Fit1Too workout program. Coming up next, I'm going to take you through the moves you need for Circuit 4 using dumbbells. Now, Circuit 4 is going to be similar to Circuit 3. We still have 6 moves per round. We're trying for 4 rounds within 30 minutes, and we're in that 8 to 12 rep range. Now, make sure you have your workout guide with you so you can record your progress, and the next time you do this workout, you can try to improve, whether you're adding more reps, more rounds, more weight, but that way you get a little bit better every time you do the workout. Okay, let's get on with the moves. So we're going to start off doing squats. Now, we've done this before, so I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail in this video. We're going to start with our feet in a straight line. Toes are pointed out slightly. Back is nice and straight. Shoulders are down and back. Maintain that natural curve in your lower part of your back, and focus on bringing your butt out like you're going to sit down into a chair. All right, hinge at your hips, knees, and ankles. Go as low as what's safe for you, and then press through your heels and back up into an upright position. So once again, you're lowering your butt as if you're going to sit down into a chair. Go as low as you can safely go. Press through your heels back into an upright position. Next up, we have front and side shoulder raises. To set this up, I'm going to put my feet in a straight line. My knees are going to be slightly bent. My shoulders are down and back. My back is nice and straight. I'm going to start with a light weight, and then once you get used to this movement, you can go heavier. I'm going to bring the weights first up to the front like this. My palms are facing the floor. My arms are parallel to the floor, and then I'm going to come down, and then I'm going to go out to the side, bringing my arms up so they're parallel to the floor, and then back down again. So once again, to the front, down, and then to the sides. Now, every time you bring your arms up, you're counting on rep. So this would be rep 1, I'd come down, and go to the side, rep 2, and then down. Rep 3 to the front, down, rep 4 to the sides. So now we're going to focus on our biceps by doing in and out curls. We're going to set this up just like we would for doing normal curls. My feet are going to be in a straight line. My knees are going to be slightly bent to help with my balance and stability. And I'm going to start with my palms facing forward. My back is nice and straight. My shoulders are down and back. And my elbows are going to be glued into my sides. From here, I'm going to do a normal curl. I'm going to bring my palms up to my shoulders, and then I'm going to come back down again, nice and controlled. Once I get to the bottom, I'm going to flip my palms out, and I'm going to do a curl out to the side like that, and then I'm going to come back down. You're going to find it's going to be a lot harder to do those curls out to the side than it is to do a normal curl. So once again, I'm going to come up to the front. This will be rep 1. I'm going to come down, turn the palms out. This will be rep 2, out to the side, and then back down again. Next up, we're going to work our triceps, and we're going to do a move called a skull crusher. We're really focusing here on the muscle on the back of our arms. I'm going to get down on the floor as if I'm going to do a sit-up. So my feet are going to be flat, my knees are going to be bent, and I notice I got my weights already set up behind me. I'm going to go ahead and grab them just like this and start off with a light weight. Once again, once you get used to this movement, then you can go heavier. But I'm going to start with a light weight, and what I'm going to do from here, my elbows are kind of at a 90-degree angle here, and I'm just going to straighten my arms. And notice when I bring my arms straight like this, they're still angled slightly behind me. I'm going to bend at my elbows to a 90-degree angle like that, and then I'm going to straighten my arms again. Don't bring your arms here so they're right above your body, okay, so that you're at a 90-degree angle to the floor. You want your arms slightly angled to the back like that. So again, I'm going to bend at my elbows, straighten the arms like that, and then bring it back down again. Now, when you're done doing the number of reps you need to do, make sure you lay the weights down behind you and then sit up. Don't try to sit up while you're holding the weight. Our next move is called a bent over row, and this is going to focus on our upper back. So I'm going to start with my feet about shoulder width apart. My knees are going to be slightly bent. I'm going to lean forward at my hips, and I'm going to keep my back nice and straight. It's going to be nice and flat throughout this movement. From here, I'm going to focus on bringing my elbows up to the ceiling and bringing that weight into my chest, and then I'm going to come back down again so that my arms are straight. I'm going to pull up into my elbows into the ceiling and then come back down again. Now keep your arms slightly flexed when you're at the bottom of the rep. Don't lock out your elbows and let the weight rest on your joints, okay? So keep your elbows slightly flexed when you're in the down position from here, and maintain that straight back and pull up. Again, bring those weights into your chest and then back down again. So next up, we've got 4-count push-ups. So I'm going to demonstrate on my knees first. I'm going to just get into the normal push-up position. I'm going to count to 4 on the way down. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. When I get to the bottom of my rep, I'm going to come up fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, up fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, up fast. Once you can do this in the 8 to 12 rep range on your knees, you need to go onto your toes. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, up fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, up fast. Once you master it on your toes, you're going to grab that backpack, put some weight in it so you stay in that 8 to 12 rep range. Those are the moves you're going to need for circuit 4. Make sure you're tracking everything in that workout guide, and every time you do this workout, you try to improve just a little bit. Again, whether you're adding weight, you're adding more reps, or doing more rounds, but just try to improve every time you do the workout. Make sure you're eating right, get plenty of water, get plenty of sleep, and I'll see you next time. Good luck with the workout.